Hey you guys, it's your girl Yana and I'm here with the new tutorial for Billie Eilish song Birds of a Feather. I know I'm a little bit late to the party, but I'm a little bit late to the party, but it's better now than never. So grab your ukes and let's learn this song together. I want to make a small announcement, you guys. My channel has been demonetized for some very unfortunate and unfair reasons, but I'm not gonna go into that. I just want to mention that if you enjoy watching my tutorials and you want to support my channel, you can become a member of my Patreon family. Even $1 a month would be super helpful for me, and for higher tiers, for $3 and $5, you will find more than 400 chord sheets plus Billie Eilish chord book, don't smile at me, and K through 12 Melanie Martinez chord book, all as well as detailed tutorials for some of the songs. It will make me so happy and tremendously help this channel. So if you're not a Patreon member yet, go click that link in the description and become one. Now let's get back to the tutorial. So for this song, you guys, you will need just 4 chords: D, B minor, E minor, and A. One more time: D, B minor, E minor, and A. That's it. And this strumming pattern: down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up on E minor. And on A. As you notice, you guys, you need to play this strumming pattern twice on each chord. So let's practice playing this strumming pattern together with this chord progression: D, B minor, E minor, A. Twice on each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor. Good job. E minor. A. And you guys, this is actually the whole song. So this chord progression: D, B minor, E minor, A, goes through whole song with the same strumming pattern, count. It means that the rest of the video is gonna be a play along. If you need more time practicing playing this strumming pattern with this chord progression, you can go back where I'm playing it and practice together with me. Here, you guys, I'm gonna play the first part of the song till the second verse, so let's play it together. I'm turning baby, I'll love you till the day that I die, till the day that I die, till the light leaves my eyes, till the day that I die. This is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.